Did you want some raisins?
Harris. Harris.
So, once again, we are here.
And when did you hire?
Sure.
Sure.
I have a little parrot with me.
I'm very with me.
And
then
she is being super adorable.
And I'm adorable.
I'm adorable? Okay. What's your name?
Mando.
No, try again. What's your name? Is your name Lana?
Lana.
You are Lana. And how old are you?
I'm 2.
2. Close. She is 2. And she's... Here you go. You dropped that. And yeah, you may tell this is a little bit better quality than my other ones. That's because this is what I plan to use for my channel videos. Yeah, don't know if I really want to use this room in this background and whatever. But for now, it'll do. Got a window right there and a window right there, so it's kind of hard. But, and I would do it when she's taking a nap, but her room is right there. And I didn't want to wake you up. And she's sitting down eating her raisins. Not being a parrot anymore. And her radio is still on in her room from the photo shoot. Which, would you like to see the photo shoot?
That's my dad.
Okay, we're gonna do a photo shoot to the music. Dance. Hold on. She said she wanted to do a photo shoot, right? Hold on, wait until the end. Then we'll go through all of it, okay?
Prepaid debit card. Pads or shoes on most vehicles. 1 act. Exclusions apply.
Would you like to see it?
Yeah.
831.14.
If you run a machine shop, you may already know that finding great insurance coverage at an affordable price can be an experience of an independent insurance.
Do you see yourself?
The best coverage to protect that business that you put together. One bolt at a time. Years of sweat to build it into what it is.
Can you not see it here?
You risk losing it all to a catastrophic event.
No, you can't?
West Bend policy covering your
How
business.
about now?
Whatever business you might be in. If something goes wrong, we'll make it age tempered promise with an anodized finish and a silver lining surrounding the whole deal.
Why are you so close? No, because then when you get closer to it, you can't see it.
Insurance Centers, an official supplier of the silver lining.
Because you're not in this shot anymore.
Representing all lines of insurance, personal, commercial, life, and health.
I can't see it there.
That's it around, silly girl.
McCarthy.
Thank you for calling cell phone.
Emmanuel.
Whoa.
The real person would answer? Exactly. And the real person I get to talk to is Coach Mike McCarthy.
Hold on.
What exactly can I help you with today, sir?
We'll do it for both of us.
Sure. Hold on, everybody else wants to.
So as you can see, we are doing a little photo shoot.
Join us for free.
Thank you for getting your bow in my face, little girl. She's just looking over there at the screen, aren't you?
Sunday, August 3rd at the
And
St. Mary's Sauerkraut Festival in
yeah.
Creek with Vic Ferrari on Friday, Nashville Pipeline and Star 69 on Saturday, a Marashi Brothers on Sunday, along with a huge car show.
Hopefully I'm finally getting my channel all ready and done and
Toyota Camry, the 50th
videos filmed with this cutie.
First through Sunday, August 3rd at St.
Can you hold it?
Can I eat it?
No.
No. Would you like to do that? Anyways.
I can't open.
It's open. You don't need to open it.
Oh.
I don't even know which ones I got in and which ones I didn't because my card was full. But yeah, this is the camera I'm using. Not quite necessarily the room. The tripod for now. And we will work that out later. Miss Lana Jo is crazy today. All over the place. And you're too short. You can't see them there if you want to see yourself. She was looking for herself. Do you see yourself? See yourself? Should I put you on my shoulders?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I see you.
I see you. And she's being very goofy today. But that's okay. Goofy is good, right? Goofy is good. Goofy is good.
I dumped it on your head.
Don't dump it on my head. Mine.
No, mine.
Then don't put it on my head. No. Yeah, I love her. Love her 2 bits. No one better. Yeah, I found one for you. Ow! You just bit my fingers. Anyways, so I have a plan for my channel that I was hoping you could help out with. It wouldn't be for a while yet, so you just thinking of things maybe. But I want to do a segment called Places to Go, People to See. And basically hopefully have other people, you know, and me obviously doing videos of my favorite places, what you doing back there, and you know, just showing around my favorite places where in Wisconsin, or if I were to go on a trip or something. London. But yeah, and I was hoping you could do that with not down the pants. No way, I don't want raisins in there. And if you want, wherever you want to do it, I guess. And the style of the video is completely up to you. So they're all different and unique. And are you emptying them all down my pants?
We're here.
Nobody's here. So I was hoping you could help out with that. This is gonna be all over the place. Are you vain? Are you vain, monkey butt? Are you a monkey butt?
Give me that. I got them.
Very bossy. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. So bossy. And to answer my own question, she is a little bit vain. Right there.
No.
No, you don't want to be on camera? This is the first.
Can you lift it?
Should I turn it around? You want to see yourself. I see. That's the reason why you asked me to. Yeah.
I can't see me.
You can't see you because you're too close. How about now? Can you see you now?
Mando!
The 2-year-old. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Attack of the 2-year-old. What's up, monkey butt?
Let me put it in
No. Why are you trying to put a raisin in the camera? You're silly. doesn't go in there either. Are you getting a raisin stuck in Mommy's camera? You are going to have to explain that one to her, Missy. I guess I will talk to you later. Bye. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Closet.com today.
That's gonna need a little fixing, but whatever.
Showers, thunderstorms. I-76 on Wednesday.
Hi,